Welcome back. The public hearing scheduled by the State Pollution Control Board regarding MPT expansion got adjourned on Sunday. This is the third adjournment. Residents of the port town objected to the hearing as they claimed they were not intimated properly by the board. Flabbergasted people demanded MPT Chairman Mara Pandian's attendance for public hearing. MPT is already reeling under the crisis of INO export ban and closure of berth number 10 and 11. Now the expansion plans too has hit a roadblock.
So accordingly, I will have to verify the provisions of the law, and only then I will see that the meeting is conducted. I am chairing this meeting for the first time, and when there are legal lacunas are there, I cannot continue with the meeting. That's why, with the due respect to all the persons who are present here, I have ordered to adjourn the meeting so that legal requirements are fulfilled first, and only then the meeting is conducted.
Well, today, the purpose of adjournment was just simply not compliance with certain provisions which were not to be taken seriously off. Because as far as the board is concerned, we have complied with all the requisites. We have sent it the copies to all the district collectors out, municipal councils, DITC, as well as the concerned Jilla Parishads. However, the point was raised during today's public hearing that draft EI report should have been made available to public libraries, which comes within the purview of Manamagaon Municipal Council. However, the chairman of this public hearing held it otherwise. He thought that the copies of the document should have been given to public libraries, including the panchayat. Because of this sort of misconception, he was forced to adjourn the meeting, today's meeting.
Gram Sabha held at Kurtori Panchayat resolved to oppose the upcoming multi-purpose housing complex project. Gram Sabha witnessed some heated moments. The builder had earlier approached the Supreme Court to get his project at Dantale Kurtori through. While disposing the matter, Supreme Court directed the local panchayat to decide on the matter. Supreme Court has given a time of 12 weeks to the Kurtori Panchayat to dispose of this matter.
Kurtori Gram Sabha witnessed a heated debate as locals are up in arms against this project. The case has reached up to the doorsteps of the Supreme Court. Locals oppose the project, fearing pollution and danger to the agricultural land.
Supreme Court ordered Panchayat full power. Panchayat is the deciding authority. Gamat project yes or no? Panchayat is the deciding authority. DCP is only technical authority. Take forward the engineer plan so far. Take down the try pana. 2008 जी complaint the project लागून John Silva लोकां एकठांय करून हाडिल्लो. ते दिसांनी unanimous decision घेतले आमकां हो project नाका. पंचायताच्यान straight pay resolution लावपाक जाले. कितले ग्राम सभा घेतात एकाच कोर्टाचेर. तुमकां जाय तितले घेतात. हो 35 तर जालो. आमकां नागपूर जालो. ते लाया म्हणून हायकोर्टान सुप्रीम कोर्टान.
The Punch members have also vowed to stay with people's verdict.
From model what? I'm with the people.
A reporter from Kurtori, Samir Bhatt.
Ammonia storage tanks of Zuari Industries Limited still lies in the MPT's port area. MPT had requested the Zuari Industry Limited almost 2 years back to shift the ammonia tank as it is hazardous for people and the workers in the port area. However, now MPT Chairman P. Marapandian says that talks with Zuari are still on.
In fact, one of the meetings, the top management officers were here. They promised they would try to work out a method by which it would be transported by a pipeline from here to their factory itself. And they said they would make scientific study and come to us. But so far they don't come back to us. And we'll talk to them about it again to remind them what is their future course of action.
But it is a dangerous.
It has to go out of port. That's what we are also of the same opinion.
Pandian also informed us that last time the proposal of shifting was on hold due to protests by the workers.
So we told them to vacate it, but they let them come with a clear idea, because the problem, they also have a lot of workers. The moment we tried to stop it, last time we stopped it, as all of you know. And in fact, the total workforce came to us, made a request that, they are going jobless, everything.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.